Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing a Boohoo Ootd Fash try-on clothing haul. So let's get started. Okay, so I got the Ootd Fash and we're gonna just okay, so this item was $29 for a crop top. It's really cute. I like baby blue. Baby blue has always been my favorite color when I was little. Look how cute it is. It's a crop top. I'm a fan of crop tops, but like, yes. So it has padding for my small boobs like myself. I'm excited to try this on, let you guys know. And on the back, it has these little thingies. I forgot what they're called. Honestly, you know what I mean. When you wear a bra, you understand. You know what this is. So yeah, cute. Can't wait to try this. Okay, so what do we think? Like, do I look like a 19-year-old like in this? Because it's like, it's cute, but then it's like, I don't know. It makes my boobs look kind of weird. And I don't know if I'm feeling it though, you know? Like, tell me, do I look weird? Oh, I feel like I'm bloated. But yeah, so like it just, I don't know, it looked prettier, I guess, on the model. She had boobs. I was like, you know what? I don't know, maybe it's too lacy. I don't know, or maybe I should have got white. I don't know. Like, I kind of like it, kind of don't. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, are we feeling it? Am I too, you know? Do I look like an ABG? Okay, so I have 2 packs of Boohoo. They're really fast on shipping, honestly. I paid $10 for shipping. I think everything was like 60% off, so that's a really good deal. Alright, I don't even know what I bought, honestly. I forgot what I bought. Okay, this is a short sleeve crop top. Ooh. Yes, so I have crop tops, but like this is a different material. You can see it's like a bit stretchy. It's not see-through, so that's good. Okay, so this is really nice. Can't wait to try this. It's size 2 in the US, so I think this is extra small for me. What do we think? It's like, I like that it's curved right up here, because on the side, it's like, now if we just had nicer abs, you could definitely see the abs. But yeah, I like that this part has this cut on the side. Makes me want to work out more, but yeah. I like the material. It's not see-through whatsoever. Okay, so I bought the same thing in a white color. If you know me, I have like a lot. If I like something, I'll buy different colors. So this is also a size 2. You can see the material a little bit better. Yeah. Yes. And these were all like, I don't know, really cheap. It was like less than $5. I'm almost positive. Yeah. And then I bought this green. So I don't have green, a lot of olive colors in my wardrobe. So I'm trying to expand on my colors. And I like this olive tone color, so it like complements my skin tone. I'm a little bit on the yellow side. Just a basic crop, but it's knotted in the front, so like super casual. Yeah, I forgot how much these are all costing me, but I'm pretty, oh, and this is a petite version. So that's what I like about Boohoo, is that it's in petite. So like for me, 5'3" and under, I like this color. It's like not super green, but it's like a nice sage green color. It's really cute. Yeah. Cute. Absolutely. Yeah. All right, this one is it's a crop top, but however, it's a bell sleeve type. And then you just knot it in the front. Is this petite? Yes, this is also petite. So this is a size small. Yeah, pretty sure it's small. Okay, so this is cute. And you just wear it like a a lace crop top and then just tie up in the front. It's really cute. I'm pretty sure I bought this also in a white color. Oh yes, so this is the white version of the black version one with the bell sleeve right here. And then you just wear like a lace crop top underneath, and I think it would be really cute, super cash. You guys, what do you think? This is so freaking cute. Ben, beep beep. Okay, tell me this is not cute. Oh, this is so cute. Like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Yes, it's a little bell sleeves, not too much, so when I wash my hands, get it done. But yeah, oh my god. Ooh. Yes. Okay, this is cute. Officially, I like this outfit. I did such a good ass job. Ooh. Yeah, for those of you wondering, I'm wearing a bralette. It's a lace one. And then I just put my bra underneath because this is a see-through lace bra, and obviously. So yeah, oh, this is like really cute. Yes. This is a bralette. What's a bralette? Okay, how do I open this? Oh yes, okay. It's just a basic bralette. It's no padding. Okay, so it's just like a regular crop top. This size extra small, so I would obviously wear a bra underneath. But yeah, super simple and basic, because like I can't sometimes wear a sports bra because they're too tight. Sometimes I just want to wear something just basic like this. Very cute. Yeah, so it's like a nice material. Doesn't feel like, and it's stretchy enough, so yes, absolutely. What? There we go. Yeah. It's cute. Approve. Then this one, big ass bag. Okay. Excited. Okay, so I saw this. I know a lot of girls on TikTok, there's girls wearing these cute plaid skirts, and then pairing it with like a sweater and then a shirt collar, so I wanted that too. So, what size is this? Okay. I got this. It's cute. It was like the same price as Shein, but I feel like Boohoo is a little bit better in quality wise. So this is a size 6, so that's like a small. And yeah, it's very cute. I can't wait to try this one on. Okay. See, I like this material. It's a little bit stretchy. Is it see-through? No, not really. But yeah, this is kind of like a slight collar turtleneck-ish. This is a petite high neck rib crop top, size 6. This is a small. Oh yes, I'm so excited. So yeah, I wanted, oh, this would be so cute when you pair this and this. Okay, I'll try that on. Okay, so same thing, but just in black. So can't wait to try this on. So cute. Hey you guys, are we feeling this? Do I look fat, dude? Yeah, so yes. I feel like very, oh, I don't know what's wrong with this section though. I feel like I don't know. Like I do like this skirt, unless I'm just weird about it, but do I look like I'm from New York? Cute. And I love this top. This top is really cute. I feel like I'm a librarian. But it's really cute though. Yeah, I really like it. This skirt's cute. Although I don't know why it's like popping on the side though. Might be just me. But yeah, this is cute. I like it. This is the pajamas that I bought. It's not satin looking, but I'm trying to find something that's like this but satin. So yeah, this is just a pajama set that I wanted. Honestly, I thought this was gonna be satin. In the pictures, it looked shinier. So I'm a little disappointed in that because I wanted to style this pajama as like a casual outfit, but oh wells. It was like 10 bucks, I think. So it's not like a big loss anyway, so it's okay. This was a size 6. Can't wait to try that. This one was like $3 bucks. I don't know, I forgot. But yeah, it's this one. These kind of belts. It's a 1 size, so I'll figure it out. Something like that. I don't know. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna go try it on. Okay, guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, please give it a like and subscribe. And then, yeah, let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.